We often think how massive our Bollywood stars are and how much our life revolves around these movies. Producing between 1500 to 2000 movies a year across 20 languages, India has the largest film industry in the world. Thousands of aspiring actors who turn their way to Mumbai carrying the dream of fame and money in Bollywood faces a lot of unaidly situations. This struggle phase of their life made them vulnerable and prone to become part of uncanny events. The desperate need to get, if not big roles but also small parts, is all they want. This leads them to such directors and producers who want sexual favors. Today, we will be seeing few events where Bollywood celebs had to face these directors and producers while struggling to weigh up in Bollywood hierarchy. That being said, let me toss the intro. Surveen Chawla started her career with television soap operas like Kahin To Hoga and Kasauti Zindagi Ki in the earlier days and ended up in appearing in the films. She also appeared in reality dance show Ek Khiladi Ek Haseena in 2008. She gained her popularity in 2014 with the release of Hate Story 2. She also had done films in Tamil and Kannada. In an interview with Pink Villa, she shared her experience that how a national award winning director tried to be smart with her. Listen to this.
So this again, like a ridiculously big director, a national award winning director. You know, Ma, there's such a language barrier, you know. He needs to know you. He needs to understand you if he has to work with you. This film is going to take very long to make. And just till the film. So just till the film what? This is over the phone.
Yeah.
No, Ma, he needs to know you. So just till the film, this will go on and then you can stop, no, once work is over. I still remember my words. I think you're knocking on the wrong door. If Sir thinks I'm talented enough to work in his film, I'm still willing to do that. But I don't think I can barter myself for anything. So, you know, hard luck, but I'll have people to work with me, not a problem. And that's that.
It's really unfortunate to see actors to face such demeaning demands in order to get the films. It's the bad reality where actors had to go through. Next is Radhika Apte. Radhika Apte began her acting in theatres first and made her debut with Wah Life Ho To Aisi in 2005. Radhika has since worked in Hindi, Tamil, Marathi, Telugu, Malayalam, Bengali and English films. I personally loved her performance in films like Majhi the Mountain Man, Phobia and Ghoul. Radhika was also nominated for an International Emmy Awards, so it's quite obvious that she is a talented actress. Despite being such wonderful in acting, she was asked for favors. Listen to this clip of her interview.
Once I got a call and they said that they're doing this film in Bollywood, and I want you to have a meeting with them, but would you be okay sleeping with that person? And I laughed and I said, that is so funny, you're very funny. And I said, no, I hope not.
The way she candidly laughed away is quite opposite of what I had done if I was in her place. Moving on. Ranveer Singh always wanted to be a mainstream Hindi film actor. Initially he thought being lead actor would be impossible for him, so he became copywriter in advertising. But then he eventually came back into film industry. He shared his experience in an interview that how his father helped him to prepare his portfolio. His father Jagjit Singh Bhagnani had sold his car so that Ranveer Singh can take his acting classes. He told the interviewer his awkward encounter with this producer and that he wanted to beat him after the producer asked Ranveer to see his private parts. Take a look at this clip.
ठीक है, हम कुछ करेंगे नहीं, आप सिर्फ मुझे टच करने दो. ठीक है, नो टचिंग. आप सिर्फ दिखा दो मुझे. ऐसी गंदी गलीच गंदी बातें करने लगा मुझे सामने बैठे. मैं बोला बॉस ये तो होने ही नहीं वाला है, आगे बोल.
Ayushmann Khurrana has also suffered the same as Ranveer Singh. He is the recipient of several national awards and 4 Filmfare Awards. He has also appeared in Forbes India's Celebrity 100 list of 2013 and 19. Vicky Donor is one of the movies that changed our vision towards the Hindi cinema. such sensitive topic was played in a goofy mannerism hit the audience that taboo topic can be accepted among the public, and the film became massive hit. Ayushmann Khurrana admit himself that he never struggled like other celebrities, and his plan B, C, D is ready to take off in case plan A fails. But actually, he did face casting couch in his early days. Here's the clip of Ayushmann with Pink Villa interview. Take a look.
Yeah, it happened once. Like there was a casting director, and he was like, "I want to just see your tool. I'll cast you if you do that. Promised me like a lead role, but I politely declined it."
Tanushree Datta received Femina Miss India Universe title in 2004 at the age of 20. She was only active for 5 years from 2005 to 2010. It's been 15 years when Aashik Banaya Aapne film released, and Aashik Banaya Aapne song is still one of my favorite songs. And I think millennials can relate to the situation when they had to watch these songs on mute, including myself. In September 2018, Tanushree Datta accused Nana Patekar of sexually harassing on the set of Horn OK Please. A year earlier, Me Too movement happened in US, in which more and more women came forward, and even in entertainment industries as well. Take a look at this clip how she accused Nana Patekar.
नाना पाटेकर के बारे में तो सबको पता है कि उसने हमेशा औरतों के साथ बदतमीजी ही की है। ये दबे लफ्ज़ों में इंडस्ट्री में सबको पता है कि वो लड़कियों के साथ मारपीट उसने की है, एक्ट्रेसेस के साथ उसने छेड़छाड़ भी की है, उसका रवैया और उसका बर्ताव हमेशा ही लड़कियों की तरफ बुरा रहा है, लेकिन किसी पब्लिकेशन ने कभी छापा नहीं है।
Next month, Nana Patekar held the press conference and addressed media that he never had any accusation in his 35-year career in Bollywood, and he don't know why she is doing that. These are just 5 cases of sexual harassment in Bollywood, but there are actually a lot going on in background with these strugglers. Fame comes with its own dark side, and that celebrities don't want to discuss. And there is quite obvious reason to that. These incidents can make impact on their career. That being said, I'm gonna wind up my video here, guys. If you like the content, please like the video. I will be uploading such videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe the channel. If you have any suggestion, please comment down below. Thanks for watching.